In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Teamcity integration with NDepend, how to install the plugin onto the Teamcity server, and how to install NDepend on build agents to work with Teamcity. The first thing you need to do is just download NDepend, which comes as a zip file. I've already got this downloaded here, and I've just extracted it to my C drive in a folder called NDepend. Inside of this folder, there's an integration folder and then another folder for Teamcity. You'll notice a few things in here. There's two components to the plugin to Teamcity for NDepend. First is a zip file called ndepend-teamcity. This is the plugin that's going to be installed into Teamcity that's going to provide an interface within Teamcity to configure a build step to run NDepend. And then you'll also notice an exe, which is used to actually run the NDepend analysis and send output back to Teamcity. All right, so the first half of installing this is to install the plugin onto the Teamcity server. Teamcity plugins are by default stored in Teamcity's data directory. The default location for this is in Program Data, JetBrains, Teamcity, and then there's a plugins folder. If you're not sure where this is located at, you can check an environment variable to find where this is located. You can access this by dumping the contents of the environment variable for Teamcity data path. As you can see here, this is pointing at Program Data, JetBrains, Teamcity, the location we have open here on the left. So go ahead and go to the location where you extracted NDepend, copy the NDepend Teamcity zip file, then go back to the plugins folder for Teamcity and just paste it in there. Once you're done with that, then you need to restart the Teamcity server. You can do that from PowerShell as well with just restart service and then Teamcity. The service will be stopped for Teamcity and restarted. Now this is assuming that you've installed Teamcity as a Windows service. If you've installed it in another manner with another hosting container, you'll need to restart it in the fashion appropriate for however you've installed it. If you don't like using PowerShell, you can also go and locate the Teamcity service in the local services management console and restart it from there. Once the service for Teamcity has restarted, you'll want to verify that the plugin was actually installed correctly. The best way to do this is to go to your Teamcity services web interface, and then you should be able to add a build step to about any build configuration you have. And when you look at the list of runner types, you should see a choice for NDepend now. The other half of the equation is you'll need to install NDepend onto your build agents. Now in this case, I extracted NDepend to a folder on the C drive called NDepend. The next thing you'll need to do on your build agent is remember to actually copy your license file as well. So copy and paste that into wherever you extracted NDepend on your build agent. And then wherever you've installed NDepend onto your build agent, somehow Teamcity's build agent runner has to know about where that location is at. There's two ways you can accomplish this. First, and probably the best, is to set an environment variable that's used by the plugin within Teamcity to look for a location of NDepend installed on a build agent. The second option is to add the integration Teamcity folder to your path, in which case the agent, the Teamcity agent, will be able to find the ndepend.teamcity.exe in your path. I'm going to show the route of setting up an environment variable. So set up an environment variable to point at this integration Teamcity folder. So I'm going to copy this location that I've extracted NDepend to, and of course the integration Teamcity folder within that location. And then I am going to set an environment variable. And it's important to remember that you need to set an environment variable that the Teamcity build agent service has access to. So in this case, I'm going to set a system variable to make sure it has access to it. I'm going to make a new environment variable. I'm going to set the value to the path I just copied. Remember the integration Teamcity folder within the NDepend install location. And then the variable name is going to be ndepend_teamcity_home. And then I'm going to click OK to add that. And then because I've set a new environment variable that needs to be picked up by the build agent, I need to actually restart the service for the Teamcity build agent. And to do that, we can use restart service and restart the TC build agent for the Teamcity build agent. And then to verify things, once the Teamcity build agent service is restarted, go back to the Teamcity interface. You can click Agents and then go to the specific agent that you installed it on. And if you go to Agent Parameters, you can click on Environment Variables, and you should see the NDepend Teamcity Home environment variable set. For further testing to make sure things actually work, refer to the walkthrough on using the plugin from within Teamcity.